Hi everyone, my name is Johanna, and in this video I'm gonna share some new functionalities with our desk booking solutions. Today I'm here at the Malmö office, and as always I make sure to have a desk booked before I arrive to keep up with social distancing and other safety guidelines. What's new is that I now can see where my desk is located with the interactive floor plan map in the app. So if I click on my booking, I will see all my booking details, and I also get the choice to view on map. So let's do that. Here is my office, as you can see, and if I zoom in, I can see where my desk is located. Okay, you can also find your maps before you make your booking. So if I go to the Book a Desk tab, I can see a list of all my workspaces. And here I can also make the choice to view on map. So here is my office again, and I want to sit here. So I click on that workspace and I select, and there I can make a desk booking. And that's it. If you have any questions about our hot desking solution or any of our other solutions, don't hesitate to get in touch and we will help you. Thank you!